Today, I'm going to show you how to download a game on Steam. You may have just purchased a new game, or you might want to play a game that's already in your Steam library. Installing and playing a game on Steam is very simple. First, open Steam on your computer and log in to your account. After that, at the top of the Steam window, click on Library. The library is where all your Steam games are stored, games you've purchased or played before. Even if a game isn't installed on your computer, it will still appear here as long as you own it. For this example, let's say I want to install Adventure Capitalist. To do that, simply left-click on the game, then click the blue Install button. When you click Install, a new window will open. Here, you can choose the location on your computer where the game will be installed. You'll also see two checkboxes. One option allows you to create a shortcut on your desktop. Leave this checked if you want a desktop shortcut. The other option creates a shortcut in the Windows Start menu. After choosing your preferences, just click Install. The game will begin downloading. To track the download progress, click at the bottom center of the Steam window. This will take you to the Downloads page where you can see the download speed and progress. Once the download is complete, you'll receive a notification. Then, simply return to your library, click on the game again, and press Play to start playing. And that's it! Your game will launch and you'll be ready to play. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.